In this video, I'll show you how to create a service booking form in GoHighLevel for an auto repair shop. If you want to see how this connects to the full auto repair system, check out the complete build link below. Grab your favorite drink here. We got an Olipop. Gonna jump into it right now. All right. Go in and actually create a form. So you come into the form builder. We're on the same site section here. Click on builder. Create new. There's templates also you can use, but I like to just create a basic one. First things we're going to need to do when we create that form is update a few things. So first and last name, we don't need two separate field boxes. I like to have just put the full name, drag and drop that over there. Got phone, email. Probably should have also, let's see here, a comment box. Add that there. We'll type that, so that's a comment. This part here is if you're sending SMS messaging, so you have to, if you're doing any phone number text backing, that customer with the lead, you have to have A2P approved. We'll talk about that a little farther here in the video, but basically you have to have, this is the law, that you have to have a checkbox that they check this, and we'd fill in their business information and whatnot there. But if you're gonna follow up with a text message, you have to have this, that you're going to market to them or follow up with them so they know that. You want to go in here and just label this as your contact form. So today's, we'll say car repair contact form. So we know what form that is. And then you can also take it a step further if you want to know what type of services they were needing. You can create a checkbox. We could add a checkbox in here and then call it services. Let's see if they have anything on their website for their contact form. I don't remember if they did. So they're not asking for anything really besides question or comments. We got name and phone. So today maybe we won't put the services in, but you could say like brake repair, AC repair. So then when somebody fills this out, it would actually give you a little more information of what they're needing for their car repair. Maybe they don't know what they need fixed. So for this example, we're just going to delete that for now. But if it's the car repair, we probably want to know their make, model, and year of their car. So we'll add those lines in here. So you can see it's pretty simple to add that in there. We want to make it required usually. So required, just click that checkbox. And we're going to want them to leave a comment because we know what their contact is about. So if it has a little asterisk next to it, that means it is required. So we want to make sure we get their name. So after all that is kind of set up, this is a basic form. You will want to come in here and click Save. So now we have that car repair contact form. We can go back out to our website builder and come into the website here, click Edit. And if you remember, the pop-up that showed up here there was no pop-up connected with the contact form. So we want to go into, let's see here, the pop-up settings up here. Click on contact form pop-up, edit that, click here, and now we want to select that form we just made, car repair contact form. So now it's going to put that in there. We click Save. Also remember our link below, 30-day free trial. Just do it yourself and build the website. Or if you'd like us to build it for you, you can also reach out to us directly through our contact form, our website down below. There's another link there. Or just leave us a message and we'll reach out to you.